Ve prendiéndola ya porque... We got dirt and a monster bike. Yeah, lining them up. There you go. Dirt got him. Dirt got him. Dirt got him. Clean race. That was a clean race. First race, Scarface bike versus the monster bike. Black and green little monster stripes on it. That was a clean race. They both took off pedaling. In my book, that's clean.